I'm gonna be doing a 10K challenge giveaway with FTMO or funded pips, guys. So if you guys want to participate in that, just stay till the end of the video, guys. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Soslan Abanakov. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick update on the current challenge that I'm doing with instant funding prop firm. I passed the phase 1 in the first week. Now I'm doing the phase 2 and I'm currently stuck on phase 2, okay? Anyways, right now I'm driving here on a strip in Las Vegas. If you guys been here, let me know in the comments, okay? By the way, if you guys stay till the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you all the steps that need to be taken to participate in a giveaway, what I'm gonna be doing next week. So I'm gonna be doing a 10K challenge giveaway with FTMO or funded pips, guys. So if you guys want to participate in that, just stay till the end of the video, guys. Be patient. Right now, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna stop this recording. I'm gonna get to my office. I'll share my screen with you, and I'll show you some of the trades that I won and some of the trades that I've lost. Okay, and I'll show you a quick strategy, guys, that can take your trading to the next level. Just stay tuned, guys. All right, I'll see you in the office. Okay guys, we're back in the office. So now let me show the charts, okay? So our account currently $49,398.31, okay? This account was 50,000. This is phase 2, okay? So now guys, let's go to the trading view and let me show you some of the trades that I've taken last week and the week before that I've won, and some of the trades that I lost, okay? Maybe you're gonna learn something new, maybe you're not, okay? So just stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get back to Monday. It was November 10th when I started phase 2, okay? And basically I had this resistance, I had this support, and around 6:30 a.m. remember I said I'm trading breakouts. Sometimes I trade break-in retests. So in this example, when we start breaking out, I took the trade. I put my stop loss just a little bit around here, and I was aiming about 122, 123, okay? I don't remember exactly. Maybe we had something to the left. Anyways, so we were about 1.3 in profits, and then the trade just completely reversed on us, and this was a break-even day basically, because once we once I enter here and we got to about here, I already placed my stop loss about break-even. So this day was a break-even day. Tuesday comes around, you know, I enter this trade. I believe, what was it, 6:30 a.m. What is it, 6:30 a.m.? So 6:30 right here. Okay, so I had this trend line. So when we start breaking above, I don't wait for candles to close, guys, on a 5-minute time chart. Okay, so when we start breaking above, I enter this trade right here. My stop loss was around here, and we didn't get anywhere. It hit the stop loss. Okay, that's that. Then when we start breaking below this support, I enter on a position. My stop loss was around here. I was in profit. So this was a break-even day as well, or losing day. I don't remember exactly, guys. Anyways, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I believe I won a trade. Because I believe Wednesday. So Wednesday, this is what happens, guys. This candle moves so fast, guys, because I was gonna enter right here, but it moved so fast, and I was like, man, I'm so far away from the entry. Should I enter? Should I not? I hesitated, you know, and I didn't end up not entering any trades, and the just price just flew, okay? Just flew. So what you guys need to be doing, guys, at 6:30 a.m., sometimes there's so much volume in the markets. You want to be very quick, guys, because this candle just pushed on me so fast, you know, because I wanted to enter as we break in this support somewhere around here, okay? But it just flew on me, you know, just went so fast, you know, like, and I didn't want it to enter around right here, okay? So, and I thought it was gonna come back a little bit more. Anyways, I hesitated, I didn't enter, so this was just a no trading day for me, okay? So that was Wednesday. Thursday, guys. Thursday. I don't know. Did I trade on Thursday? 6:30 a.m. Where's the 6:30 a.m.? Probably around here. Yeah, 6:30 right here. And maybe I was trading US30 on Thursday. I don't remember exactly, guys, but I think Thursday was also a break-even day or something like that. Friday, I caught this big move. I remember. So 6:30 a.m. we start breaking to the downside, you know. Actually, I believe I was trading this on a 1-minute chart. I believe we had the uptrend right here on a 1 minute. Let me go back. Let me go to 1 minute. Yes. So overall, I was bearish. Okay. So for those who was following my strategy, if overall I'm bearish and I have this pullback to the upside, all I did was I waited for this trend line to break. I entered my position. My stop loss was around here. Went about 1 to 1, 1.2, and just reversed on me. This was a break-even trade. And the moment we broke above this resistance, I didn't enter right away. I wanted to make sure that we already switched the market trend. Okay, so let's say if I was bearish, and now if I want to start making higher highs and higher lows, I waited for this break, retest, and I waited for another break. Okay, so the moment we broke this resistance right here, I entered. My stop loss was around right here, something like that, and then I caught the big move, I remember. So this one I partially closed some of my profits. The rest of it I let it run. I believe I caught around 1 to 5, and this basically brought all my this one gained all my profits back, okay? And overall, I was about break even for the week. Maybe I lost a little bit, maybe like 0.5%, 1%, something like that, guys. And last week, I'm not gonna go to all the trades, guys. This video is gonna be just way too long, so I'm just gonna show you Friday. So I'm just gonna show you Friday. Because Friday was a very bad day on US30, guys. It was a very, very bad day, you know. The market just didn't want to move. The market just didn't want to move at all, okay? There was no volume. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. Look at all these wicks, you know. I lost like 2 or 3 trades in this mess, and you know, it is what it is. Thursday, I caught this 1 to 3. So basically, I was an uptrend, and the moment we start breaking the resistance around 6:30 a.m., I enter on a buy. My stop was very tight, somewhere around here, and I closed at about 1 to 3, I believe. Somewhere around here, I closed my position. Okay. Also, this day, also, what was it, Wednesday? Wednesday also was a beautiful day, guys. Wednesday also was a beautiful day. And Monday, Tuesday wasn't so good. Okay, I didn't trade US30, I traded Nasdaq. Yeah, around 6:30 a.m. I waited for this trend line to start to break to above. I enter on a buy position, and that's it. I closed about 1 to 2, 1 to 3, I think, something like that. But this trade just kept going up, you know. But I think I closed around somewhere around here, guys. Somewhere around here I closed it. Anyways, second week, basically I was about break even. I was actually in profit. I only needed about 1,000. I only needed about 1,300 to pass the phase 2. But Friday, man, I lost 2-3 trades in a row, and that just completely wiped my profits. And basically, at the end of the second week, I was about negative 1%, a little bit more than 1%, basically. So now today is a new week, Monday. I've already taken some trades. I'm gonna do that on the next video. But for those who stayed till the end of the video, now I'm gonna tell the steps that you need to be taking to participate in a raffle that I'm gonna be doing live on my YouTube channel. So next week, live, I'm gonna be doing giveaway 10K challenge on FTMO or funded pips. You tell me which one do you prefer. In order for you to participate in that, you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we need to get to about 20-25 subscribers. I need at least 20 to 25 subscribers on my channel. It's a brand new channel, guys, so you have a big chance to win this 10K challenge, all right? So leave me a comment below, put your first name, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and for the next video, I'm gonna set the date on when we're gonna be doing. Actually, I'm gonna once we hit the 20 to 25 subscribers and 20 comments, I'm gonna let you know in the comments what time and what date are we gonna be doing live the giveaway. Okay, all right, guys. And also, if you want a quick recap on my strategy, so my strategy is based on a volume and 6:30 a.m. equity open, guys, right? Very simple. So what we're doing is on 6:30 a.m. we're gonna be trading Nasdaq and US30, okay? That's the only two indices we're gonna be trading. So you're gonna do analysis on both of them. You're gonna take whichever is cleanest for that day. That's the pair you're gonna be trading, right? For this particular trade, we see overall we're in uptrend. Overall, we're in uptrend. We're going up, okay? And now we have this downtrend for the moment, right? But overall, we're going up because you see, we're going up. See, we're going up, right? Look, looks like a channel. We're going up. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find that trend line that's going to the downside, and you're simply just gonna enter. The moment we start breaking above the trend line, you're just gonna take a buy position. Do not wait for the candles to close, guys. Sometimes you can, but sometimes they push so far away, then it's gonna be too far from the entry, and you don't want to be entered too far away from this trend line, okay? In this example, the moment we start breaking to the upside, you could have waited for this resistance to start to break also if you want to have more confirmation. But if you want to be a little bit more aggressive, just wait for the trend line break. You know, there's a trend line break. In this case, you could have waited for a 5-minute candle to close. You would still be fine, but sometimes I'm telling you, they just push too far away, guys, okay? So as we start to break, you want to enter. Stop loss goes about 50 points, 40, 50, 60 points max. And then you're going to let your trades run about 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, okay? Maybe you're going to let it run 1 to 2, close half of the position, and you're going to let the rest run to about 1 to 5, okay? That's how I do it. It's a profitable strategy. The reason I messed up for the last 2 weeks is because I went a little bit too aggressive because I was trying to pass this challenge very fast. I went a little bit aggressive. I didn't stick to some of my rules, you know, and that's it. I overtraded. Okay, I overtraded. Let's say one of the days I believe I was around 1.5 risk to reward in profits, and I was closing the trades. And after 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I usually do not trade, but I saw a good opportunity. But I forgot that after 7:30, 8 o'clock a.m., there's not much of a volume sometimes. So I enter without the volume, and it's just I lost 2 trades, and I basically broke even for that day, right? So if I stuck to my rule, if I don't overtrade, I would have passed the phase 2 on a second week. Okay, it is what it is. We learn from the mistakes. All right, guys. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. All right. See you.